Association where they own, they call them Bridgers Association Cameroon. Call them NGO, as it is commonly known. It will be okay, or you simply call them bridgers, like people that they bridge the gap between two different ends. Them. Just imagine if you get the other side, you get bridge, you get the water way there here, and the other side are people. You must put a bridge so that you cross. And so, now the meaning of bridgers that say that they bridge the gaps. So this organization, it be based for Boya, for Chief Street, Bomaka, and it simply been close to 4 years old. So now still a baby organization where we all will need for support, we all will need for work together for see and say, make it grow or make it create an impact in our community. And so when we be think about this project, we'll be shortlist. It means we'll be think about this community at the time we will craft the project. We think and say, if I say we come to, we can do sensitization. Sensitization, it means say we can talk, we can correct some, maybe some wrong issues, or we can try for give, for put emphasis, for make some things them may look important. Now, why that would they here today? And so, like I say, this is Bridgers, the team of Bridgers. It is for Bamenda and it is for Southwest for now. Next month, Bridgers will move to the other parts then too. So this project, now a project on wash, hygiene and sanitation. So the very first thing we need to know, now say, what be hygiene? When we talk about hygiene, would it simply mean the correct ways them, where we keep ourselves them healthy, the correct attitudes, the correct practices them, where we feel do them for see and say, my health it be fine. And so this project, it will give the link between hygiene. If you be dirty, if you keep your house dirty, if una dey shit around una houses, na need to use the toilet properly, that one it get an effect. And so now they link that with the project, it get them hygiene and health. If you don't live well, if you don't clean your house, you will obviously get illnesses tomorrow because of that dirty. If you don't clean your environment, you go get that problem. And so like I talk, the project now hygiene to save lives and money. And at the same thing we get over there, say join Bridgers and partner in hygiene to save lives and money. Because we realize say if you keep yourselves clean, then you go see and say you go hardly visit hospital. And if you don't visit hospital, that one it means waiting. It means say your money, your small money, even your 100 francs we go take and go buy small medicine, it go dey inside your pocket. So I think that the link that way are the one for creator. As we fit see for the where they read, we decide to put them on slides so that any man will even read, or any man will even want the thing, will even provide an after. As we do the project today, we will not go. We will still be around with una tomorrow, and even after tomorrow, and even next month, for asking a few questions, and we'll move from house to house. We'll do a few other important things the way we'll not be able to use that for do them within this 30 to 45 minutes where we will be for a year. But if we come now for your house, we will talk at length. We will do some important story them. We will teach some important things the way it affect our lives. So the next slide we'll see and say the key issues where we want to raise awareness on. Now cleaning of kitchen utensils. We'll get the next when a household cleaning. We'll get the next one open defecation. Open defecation means say open shitting, open poo poo. And we'll get hand washing. Hand washing. If you wash hand, they call it for big English say hand washing or washing of hands. So now the key issues in that way we will dwell on. So now we'll talk about kitchen utensils. We'll say it be very good for practice the fact say if you be mommy, you must practice for wash your things in for kitchen clean. Even if you get na old things or you get na new things, you must always wash and clean.
Because of that,
And just summarize like I talk, we get just about 45 minutes for be together. For example, if you no wash your cooking spoon, if you woke up on morning, you don't cook for evening, you na chop. You cover the pot, you put cooking spoon on top, you keep it inside kitchen. As you sleep, cockroach, they play on top that cooking spoon, they can't chop, they very chop when una do, una don't chop them. Insect, then they land on top. For morning time, you woke up, you just take your chop, you want go warm am, you simply take your spoon wey be there on top, you tip it inside the chop. You return am, you return am. You return even sometimes shit them for cockroach, shit them for rat. That one, it go cause you, it go get trouble with your belly. And so if you properly wash your things inside kitchen, they clean. It means say you must wash your things and clean. You get forget hand napkin. Means they get some small clothes. Even if you go for market, you buy towel for 300, you can cut it into 3 or into 4. You keep away. When you wash your plates, you wash your spoons.
Bridges.
Dry cleaner.
Bridges and team.
Okay.